my name is Jen and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about teeth whitening. I have been whitening my teeth for a long time. I remember doing it in the summer before I met up with my boyfriend at the time. I bought those Crest whitening strips, fold them over your mouth, and then you don't talk for 30 minutes. It tastes terrible. I have not used those in years. Recently, I have seen influencers with very white teeth. Any YouTube, TikTok, Instagram that I watch, anybody I follow, they have gorgeous, beautiful white teeth. Peloton instructors, oh my goodness, I love Peloton. They have white teeth. It's just so, they look great. And I wanted that as well. I like the aesthetic. It just looks clean, it looks great. So I've recently purchased some products to try them out to get those whitening results, the same results that I'm seeing on others. So I bought some things from His Smile, or High Smile. This is color corrector serum. It's purple. It's not really toothpaste. It's color correcting serum. And then I bought some whitening powder. The whitening powder was $40. The color correcting serum was $30. They were okay. The color correcting serum is like a one-time use thing. It's not gonna whiten my teeth. It's just gonna cancel out the yellow. And the whitening powder, it's convenient because you're dipping your toothbrush in there, but it wasn't giving me those white results like I have now. Another thing I did was the Crest Emulsions with the blue light, the blue LED light. Also, it had the whitening paste that you just put on your mouth. That hurt my teeth so bad. I then looked at the dentist. Fine, I'll go to the dentist. How much is that gonna cost? To have your teeth whitened by the dentist, it is anywhere from $300 to $1,000. So, no. But through my search, I stumbled upon a local teeth whitening studio in New Hampshire. It's called Frostbite. Look at this logo. Look at the logo. With the diamond, so awesome. So, Frostbite Whitening Studio, owned by Becky Cummings. You can scan that as well. I will put the information and website in the description below, but I want to talk to you about my experience. It was wonderful. I booked a free consultation first. We went over a couple of health questions about my teeth, how, if I had any anxiety because you have a light in your face for 15 minutes at a time, what would happen during the process. Super excited. I booked my session. I came back. I filmed the procedure. So I am going to show a couple shots from that. Super cool. So you can see the inside of her pristine and gorgeous studio. You can also see me looking pretty silly with some glasses on, watching the Golden Girls. Super cool. So what we did, because I have sensitive gums, she was able to put something that was, I don't know how to explain it other than it was like tacky between my gum and my teeth so that my teeth were protected when the whitening went on. And so it was 3 15-minute sessions where I had this cool thing in my mouth and she put the whitening paint on and then put the light like directly on my teeth, and I watched TV for 15 minutes. I watched the Golden Girls, and every couple minutes Becky was checking on me, making sure I was okay, asking me if I was comfortable, if I needed anything, if I was in any pain. And then once the 15 minutes was up, you were able to take a break. You would take this out, clean the drool up, because there's lots of drool. You have one of those like paper bibs on. And you rinse your mouth out, and then you go back, sit back in the chair. I had a blanket, I had a pillow, very comfortable. You would go and, again, 15 minutes, I'd watch TV, she'd check on me, make sure I was doing okay, and it went by pretty fast, and then the process was done. So that was really great. I had thought that it would be multiple sessions, I'd have to come back multiple times, and that could be the case maybe if you have yellow teeth. I don't know, this is just my experience. I thought my teeth were pretty yellow. I did that like tissue paper test that they like show on commercials. And my teeth are really white now. Like the result's amazing. I had such a great experience. During the procedure, she gave me an eye mask, those silicone eye masks. I like the gold ones. I wore those. When I got there, you do need to kind of brush your teeth with a fabric toothbrush. That was really cool. We'll link that down in the description below. Seems convenient if you are running somewhere or to a meeting after you have lunch and you want to quick brush your teeth. That thing was cool. You also use some mouthwash, which is also in a little packet. That was really exciting. I don't know why I was fascinated by these little products. They're just convenient, I think, and I didn't know about them, but you can get them on Amazon, so that was exciting. I left with some aftercare instructions. So just kind of details what you should and shouldn't do in the first 48 hours after having your teeth whitened. And it's important, you know, to leave with something because I think you're so excited about what's happening that you may forget some of the things that you're being told, and we were chatting. So I'm glad I had this. I also left with this. Oh my god, so cute. A collagen moisturizing lip mask because your mouth is open for so long, you're getting, you know, dry lips. There's cute chapsticks with the logo. Again, here's the logo. I also left with some products that Becky sells. So I want to talk about those really quickly. So this one, Forever White, it is a whitening touch-up pen. And this, just open it, looks a little bit like a mascara, I feel like. You keep this in the refrigerator, and it has a little brush. And you just kind of twist the end of it. Some of the gel comes out, and then you brush your teeth. Obviously you can use this, so that's cool. This is $28. Another thing that I got was Daily White. So this is $20. It's a whitening foam toothpaste. It's a 2 to 4 month supply. Cleans, freshens, and whitens. So actually, you use this dry, which is kind of cool. And if you get aligners or those clear plastic, you know, teeth inserts, you can just put the stuff in there as well. I like this with a toothbrush. Another thing important, minerals enamel booster. So I haven't opened this just yet. It's $28 and it's in the fresh mint smell. Replenishes key minerals, strengthens enamel, prevents and alleviates tooth sensitivity, which I have. I'm excited to use this. I've always been concerned from drinking like, I don't know, soda, lemonade, any acidic food, and I worry about the enamel on my teeth. So it's great to have something like this. So I'm excited about that. Now the teeth whitening doesn't actually do anything to your enamel, but it's important obviously to build it up. A couple things I might have forgotten to mention. Becky is mobile, so if you are local to New Hampshire, she can travel to you. Like if you're, I don't know, a wedding. So she'll be able to come to you or come to your house. That's really exciting to have that as a thing. That's like maybe getting your hair cut in your house. I have that, but that's from my sister-in-law. She cuts my hair and she does a great job. Another thing you can get, this is cool, I didn't purchase this. It's called the Deluxe Take-Home Whitening Kit. So it's $80. It looks like it comes, I'm just looking at the website, it looks like it comes with those plastic aligners. You boil the aligners and then put them in your mouth so that it molds to your mouth, and then you put the gel in. So that's kind of cool. I may purchase that when I go back. The timeline for this to last is 6 to 12 months. So I'll definitely be going back. I'm really excited about the result. It was so great meeting Becky. It was nice to know that I can go and get this done without spending a ton of money, and just to have that personal care, coziness. It wasn't like a dentist with a yacht rock. Again, I watched the Golden Girls and I was super comfortable. So I had a really great time, and I'm definitely going back. So I'll put some information below if you want to check out her studio. I highly recommend it. Yeah, so that's my review of getting your teeth whitened. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe or comment for the algorithm. A quick shout out to Brielle. Hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in the next video, and you're like really pretty.